Okay folks, today's video is a short one. This is a thing probably most of you know, but this easily gets forgotten and I want to remind you of that. So if you put your drums into the sequencer like I did here and you want to apply a groove, you have two options. Either you go by hand, so let's deactivate snap and position it like you want it, or you could do the second method, which is pretty easy. So you select your drums you want to get groove on, take some drum sampler, it doesn't matter which one, I choose Kong for this here, and we drag all the notes. Oh, let's activate snap for a bit, and we just copy them over onto our Kong Drum Designer. Now we could mute them, and we easily get a drum replacement for that. But we of course want to use the sample we used here. So let's unmute this. The easy way would be to bounce this to a new sample, so it opens the browser, and we could shove it onto our bass drum, and now we got an exact copy of our audio. If I mute this for a second, this is the original. This is the version with the Kong. It's a bit quieter, but we could raise the level here. And get almost the same result of this. So we could mute or delete this if we don't need it anymore. And what we could do now is apply a groove to it. So we could easily set up this 85% shuffle. Or we could set any shuffle we want. And now we have a quick replacement for our kick. We could do the same thing for our snare. We will bounce this into a new sample, just like we did with the bass drum. And we put this onto the snare layer. And what we do now is create a dub for our Kong and shove our snares onto that. Let's join them, and as you see, it stays on the bass drum layer, so we need to raise it to somewhere where it says snare drum, like here. So we raise it, and now we got our drums. And now we got our drums onto our Kong. As easy as that. So that's enough for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure to hit subscribe and leave a like and a comment down below. If you need any help in Reason, I'm very happy if I can help you. Have a great day. Until next time. Bye.